Watch out, Lisa, what?
Lisa, what? Go and look for what me rent there. I put your thing, me should have put out your things them. You're there, so come about what, go and Lisa. How much money you owe me, Karen, in a rent? How much money you owe me in a rent, Karen? Your things them should have out there, so. Out a gate, you should have come see them. You come and contact, boy. Me know your face, you shoot, you think me not there, I know. I think you think me not there, that's why you come here. But me tell you something, me that plan for you, me that look out for you. But me tell you something, I want my rent money.
Lord God, Lisa, take time now.
No.
You have to make everybody know, say me where I want to look money up on the road, me go. I'm going to start out want to look money. Just give me a little more time now, you soon get the money. Please, me ask you, give me a little more time.
Time? One more time you want. You not pay no money, you not pay me no money January. You not pay me none February. And 1 month we now, you know, March. One more time you want. One more time. Me need my money today as you get put out.
Hold on the list, and I have to reach so far. I just come off the road. I just run go up here and beard and put on some clothes. If you get that money, later on I sort out here, we get that thing.
What you say? You go beard, sort out yourself, and go up on the road, sort out for me get that money. When me I get the money? When me I get the money? When me I go get the money? When?
Next
3 months from this?
Calm down yourself. Now let me tell you, today me I give you money.
Me don't get no money from you today. I get put out. You see that lock there?
I'm fresh. I'll go up on the road. Me I go sort out one little thing, and you get the money, man. You know, for be so rough.
I get privilege because you're a woman like me. So go on, go wash up your crotches. Oh God, think you man, you think you go on today, yeah? Because sadness.
Relax, man. One tea. What wrong with you? Watch out.
Yeah, squeeze my hand.
One tea. What problem? What happened to you, Kayla? What problem? What happened?
We do what?
You mean say we do what? What make me have to talk to you over and over and over again?
What you talk about? I don't know what you are talking about.
See there? And that me I talk about. Hello? And that me I talk about. See there? In your phone.
You love make a big deal over out of everything. I just look a message me and answer.
No need to see that girl. And I talk about that, you know. I start me talk about the focus, we have to focus on the style. And that me talk about, me concern about the business. We barely make the money I start already. We barely make the money. And the reason why we don't make the money is because you're always in the phone and text. When people come and start, you don't pay attention to them because you're in your phone. And you make the money and start, you know. You make the business and go on with that. You cause all of that.
Because of me. Me I do my part. You just always depend on my case over everything. I'm tired of it.
Me depend on your case. Me depend on your case because we need to survive. Because mommy and daddy not there, so we need to work together to make ends meet. You understand me?
Me know. But me don't want to spend the rest of my life as still a star. I want to go back to school, go meet new friends and have a normal life like any other young people.
Me understand that. Me understand that, but you understand that. So we can't be on phone all day, I text on phone and focus on the style. Because we have to work hard. We can't sit down and wait for things to happen. We have to work hard for that.
I know the money energy and the principle.
Sure, say I want it to happen, G. I remember saying, when them things are happening, brother, police are going involved, you know.
Brother, Westmoreland G come from. Want a program run for him today. And another that alone, you know. Say better if you use your phone and call him, me get to go and show you say a styling thing in there.
Our situation, I know situation already.
Well, you know, you get the nicest job. You stump on beach and watch your sexy lady them a pass. People not even like Joan again like one time. And me have to sit down and I ask people what them want to buy and them not even care, them out to disrespect me. You get the nice job. You not experience what me experience at daytime.
The easy job. And me get the easy job. Come on, Pitney man. How were you there when time people are come out of the water, we get sting by jellyfish, sea urchin pop up on your foot and stuff, and me have to attend to that. You now must spend time to see that. You talk about pretty girl, you're there in your phone every single day. Me can turn my head from the station and look for you in your phone every day. You tell me about pretty girl? Come on, man.
You can't go and talk. Enough time I sit down and stand and watch you. I look for them and you smile and way around there, so you all are quitting them off.
Watch you now, no? I have to follow up the argument in there, but you're done. I have to follow up the argument. But you hear me say to you now. More when you go back and start. And pay attention. You understand? Me I beg you, please pay attention for the business today.
Sure, you go down there.
Go on back and stall and talk to me like that. Go on back and stall.
Here we have it. Use your phone, see? And call him and say if you not get him, use my phone and call him. I say if you get him with my phone, run operation for him, see? Fixing business. So you have to give him a call first and see if you get him. If you not get him with your phone, you have to use my phone, see?
Feel a juke, man. Get the phone ring, you know. See, there'll be a joking man there. They're going to voicemail now. I'm sure it's a be a joking man there.
After nobody know I know. And he want me to say, when expect me to do more than come.
Call my girlfriend.
Hello, baby, what's up?
You're fine job, you know, hard work as always, and you know things are alright. Except for Kayla. Boy, every time I have to talk to her, just pure problem man, like, you know, pain in my butt. But I'm still I want to do what I have to do. You know, me a big brother, I have to do my thing, you know, it go already.
Use my phone and call him and see if you get him, see? Use my phone, see?
You can take a break from work sometime, you know. You don't have to just stress yourself. I love you, babe, so I don't want nothing happen to you. And you know, say the other day my uncle did contact me and tell me say it's gonna need 25,000 more to legalize the bar. So the business get straight, our police know how we up and down so we can make some more money. Jason. You know, so me I put enough effort in this year for me and you don't it?
Yeah man, I know B. I know say I did everything, man. I know that. And I just want you to know say I really appreciate it. Trust me, really and truly appreciate what you do for me. January. Cause I just, you know, say it kinda really hard out here every day I work and it's like I not really see nothing, you see me? I not really see nothing. But guess what I'm on a life still now. That's a life set still, you see me? And B, hold on there. Somebody will call me. Soon call back, give me a minute, man. Hello?
Need the boy answer. Yo! What? Where money there? You don't know what talk to your skinny brother. Yes.
Oh, I tell that skinny. What going man?
Want my money reach me today. Or else.
Yo, I know say I work for you, brother. I work for you, man. Trust me, I work for you. Just that, you know things tough, brother. I mean, I'm a little sister I take care of sitting by you. You know, things kind of tough, brother, but me I work for you, man. Trust me, I work for you.
A month me I wait for the money, you know. I know your boy and your sister. So this is not gonna happen to you today. Today there, yeah. Or else, I see what I want. Isn't it?
Skinny. What are you born, star?
Yo, me have a dog, you call me dog now, you speak. Yo, what go on, me dog?
No, says I move me a group on me general.
You know, say me have a little work, see, mash. Yeah, man. I wish what you said again.
No, I'm Bluefields the man, man. We work at the public beach.
Alright, you wanna? Let me charge you come with me and show me a little vibes and want you to walk over the beach. You see me over the public beach. You want a little mission to match for him. So you wanna give you the work.
So much that they work they are pay so.
Don't worry about the money, man. The money I lease, man. Don't worry about the money part. You see?
Me a park the local bike and go deal with it. Send me a picture.
Yo, when you reach, you just call me and I'll send you the picture. Yeah. Alright, let's do that. This is youth and I'm missing on the dream. You see, alright, watch it. See, as soon as you reach and call me, you're going to hear about it.
Yeah, you know, something come up in the here. Nah, man, everything alright, everything good. You call about it. Same.
Alright. Like, seriously?
Yeah, what's for this?
$400, sir.
I too dear, man. You can't go cheaper than that, man.
No, sir, that's for my things. If you don't want it, just kindly put it back.
Oh, man. A beach just don't want to go. People come to enjoy themselves now, so I can't go back with a price. And people are stressed out on the meal price of this, man.
You're not easy, sir. If you don't pay that, put it back down, please. Put it back
man,
down.
so you are. Give me a better price.
No, I that for it.
So how much is the bun?
$200, sir.
I reach you and reach half of it. Eh?
What you mean?
A beach just enough. Hi, girl. People come for eat a bun and drink a drink so then you sell them so dear, man. Come down with some better price.
Listen to me, sir. You see, if you don't have the money to pay for the things there, you can kindly put them back, please. Because I not change my price to please you. I'm sorry.
So I don't make no money, you know. See? Alright.
Look how long are there, sir. And if I want something to buy, you just a whole lot of time. If I can't afford the things, then I just put on something make somebody else
That's
come
how I can't
buy.
make no money, man. It's alright.
Sorry about that. I saw them come here all the while, come talk one bag of something and them know them can't afford the stuff. But how they look to buy
Worry yourself, man. I know where road run, man. I just want a bottle of water and one stone ginger wine, please.
What stone ginger wine?
No, hot.
Yo, me G. Yeah, man, me send you the picture. Check your phone, man. Me send you the picture of the youth. Yeah, man. Me send you the picture of the youth, man. See me, I say, so just, you can just do your thing. See? Yeah.
Are you wanna run this style here?
No, sir. I mean, I'm a brother and my life get over on the beach.
Okay, my name is Karen. What's your name?
I can't let my name, you know, but everybody call me Tala. So I bring you come a beach today. We come a beach, come do chill out.
Yeah, man. Chill, me come a bitch come chill. One bag of things up on my head. Just come to come steam off something. You know?
I understand what you say sometimes. I feel like go some of the stress. So around here you come from?
I don't really around here I come from, you know. I'm not too come out, you know.
So you have to do it sometime, girl. You have to stay in.
Anyway, nice to meet you at all. No one if you want exchange number with me. We can hang out and be friends.
Yeah, man. You want to take mine or you want to give me yours? Because I will want to live here, so if you get the chance to live, yeah, we can hang out. Karen! Yeah, left us one ginger wine.
Thank you, later.
All right.
So, I'm going to kill her. So, nothing sell off I stall it. Nothing sell it.
I want me to you.
Nothing wrong in everything good, man.
I want a lady come here, come buy water. So what do you?
Everything good, man. But I just want to know, say, boy, you know, you have focus on things and you can make a money, you know. But you know, I go down to places and watch people, you know, so. Go and date me, yeah?
You want me to make a long so?
Hello, miss. Are you already stop?
Yeah, how you want?
What's the enough thing what I want to do? Move my boy. You know, give me a dragon now. So what you name, mama?
So what? I want to make you want to know my name.
So, yeah, leave me some, mama. Just want to know your name, you know. Sister, you are in a style, and my sister, you know, make one little money now and then, you see me? So, like that. I'm gonna want to show you one other way, see me, if you can make some other money on the side, see me.
So which other way that me can make some more money? How about that? No, no bother with it. Go and do business with the one day. Now do that.
You're going to get for the guns. You see me? Go and get for the guns.
And me, you want police come down here, come haul and pull? No, I prefer sit right here and go and juggle them
Me
look something here from the start. Me alright.
I hear me since you go there, so you know. Just want you to think about it, you see me? Give me a number, make you give me a call, man. You see, pray? Yeah, man, just think about it, man. You see me? Give me a link, man. You see it?
Yo, brother. You know, some of I'm going to detail, but I want some money for it, you know, bro. Yeah, man, important, man. I want some money for it, man. I want some money.
Not even time, money for borrow. I mean, you want him from to borrow. You not even tell me what I go on. I am bridging. I like him, for what you say, I move away still, but you still not tell me what I go on. Where are you with money?
Man, you know, so I do some things, brother, I have to deal, man. I do some things I have to deal, man. You don't really have to worry about it, brother. Don't make sure you reach your back. You see me, I say, but I just that. I do some things I have to do. I don't really want to chat about it, you know, but trust me, man, you'll get back your money, brother. You'll get it back.
I know you not tell me what I go on still, you know. Because you tell me say you want money to borrow. You don't show me nothing and make me know what I go on, you know. But how much money you want, sir?
You know, so I want 55,000 to borrow, though, bro.
55.
Yeah, man.
Brother, you know me, I do the same job, I know a little money we get. You have to work around 3 months to get that. So me I go find that the money left from me, I know big deal, man. 55, as much as me I have bridging. 55,000, no boy, you know. And you know what's a fully quick to work your hand too much.
Yeah, man, yeah, brother. Make you stay ready. That's good, man. Everything good, man. You see me? You stay, man. Everything good, man. Me match like that. That's good, man. Respect. Stay. What you want to do? We can go back to our post here, man. Alright? But respect still again, you see me?
Right, that's well, because we kind of done that so long.
Yeah, man. Respect, bro.
Alright, brother. What you mean, Blink? A long time when we were in the street, you know, you're there, so, brother. I remember how you think you used to run one time, you carried it up there, so. I want a good idea, brother, for your holiday. And do your thing, you know?
Yeah, man.
Be real, man. You mean? I love
catch
that.
back your thing, and my fans, them love me.
What you
Like
mean,
things
man?
are original and cat, you know what I'm saying? Business, they moving supermarket, right place, right price.
Original
Welcome to Bluefields Beach.
Original name, yeah.
Original name for the
Yeah.
beach, where the people them know it's a cat this for
Yeah,
a long,
mean,
long
Blink.
time.
I
Understand? Yeah. Welcome to Bluefields Beach. My friend them there, lifeguard there. We have a time for business, we have a time for friend show.
Jason, come here.
Too far, man. I got too far.
The boy. Bring.
Orange that car.
What bring in here something like I want gunshot?
Yeah, man. Man, I can right up the side now.
Yeah. Alright. I wonder what happened with it.
Yeah, man.
Hold on, something wrong, man. Something right, man. Yesterday shoot somebody up the road, me I go look at who and see how they shoot. I don't know. Back up, back up.
When that who get shot, Jesus.
What round this room, man? Run to the man. No, I'm bring him to the hospital and just get shot. You see, so hear from him, man. I'm a brother. And they call the ambulance. No.
Yo, see the dog a call back. Yo, where you see her going on down the G? Yeah. Alright, I see a road, man.
Alright, calm down yourself, pal. They might rush him to the hospital. You don't have nobody at all can go to the hospital to assist him.
No, I just sit two away alone. I don't even know me I go do right
You
now.
tell me say I have nobody at all, nobody at all to call. No. Alright. Go sit down right yesterday. See, I'll make you sit in here from here. I'll go up there and come back. Sit down right yesterday.
John was there, mama. Can't believe me get the final say brother that man they will get shot, you know. You see me? Can't believe say they get shot. So where are they so? Oh, you know the hospital for check out if the dog good and them really check if him alright and check if him dead or find out if him alright, you know?
I want my friend them here wait pan people and look at them.
Yeah, so when I go to eat, you know. Doctor really expensive with when I get gunshot and them thing there, you see me, cause them thing they very expensive, so where I go to know. See the thing we may not tell about earlier on today, you see me? Like best way right now, that would help out right now in the best way, you see me? swear to you, will help you out right now, cause hospital fee for gunshot not cheap. You see me? So right now that's the best thing right now for you. To help you out right now, help out your family, help out your brother right now. Cause I know you don't want your brother for dead right now. You see me? Yeah, what you gonna do now, man? Zine, big man thing, cause I need one time to set too long now, cause you don't know where to do your work, you see. When you go down to the hospital, find out how much fee, check up your brother, how much it costs, and them things there, and make me know what I go on. You see me? Cause I can't just stay here right now, you see it, so I just drop off a thing. You get it, you see it. You see me, that the help out the family man, if you know man, you see it. Alright, now people, movie not finished. As a matter of fact, it's a movie series and it is not completed as yet. But here what I go on now, here what I go do for me, because I know say a movie you don't like the entertainment. You go, before you click like on this video and subscribe if you not subscribe it, you go down in the comment section. You see the pin comment, it is going to have a link that will take you to the channel that will have, that is where I plan to upload the remaining episodes. So you go click on the link, go over that channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell and just stay tuned. Movie can't done it, people. Amount that we need to find out what going on with Karen and the rent at a one. We need to find out what going on with Kayla. How she go manage her now. If brother not survive then in the hospital and then the youth them go finish off the job if him actually not dead.
Yes, you're rude. I'm not here now. Get him a call him.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Oi, sorry I know my name so far, what me I know?
Me don't ask you if you have good night on.
Yeah, me I go down in night town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me I go down there, walk my way one.
Not true, me do you want to buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
And the money I save up from school.
So what on there? So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure not plan your plan for the yard, no little girl. Just try make sure you know. I'm not want to bring nobody out of my place, you know. And that may I tell you. Right? Because me not understand, you just interested to find out if me are left the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, just know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I'm going to come back off the road and you know something. I'm going to come see nobody in my yard and you know something. I'm tired of talking
not go nowhere. I just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss. So.
If you like, give me something to talk about and cuss every day about. Mona just a cuss, I get up a cuss like my mad, so.
But mommy, me simply ask you somebody come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free for talk, you hear? That may I tell you.
Yeah, come go in now. Me simply ask you if you go somewhere come want you buy something for me. Yeah, come go.
I'm gonna tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. You can't come here. Alright? Love you too. Odien! 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 Oh, you're there!
Chanel,
Yeah?
come here then. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to take out the clothes off the line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you don't left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. Because if you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in here today, you hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight town again? Where do you say you want?
I don't want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So I go and my soon come. I have to take out the something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? You can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? Happy every day there go?
Your man I don't know them young.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how to live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. Know. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? You especially I just like you because I don't hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Yeah, man. She come like a sister to me. Red Channel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there, tell herself to take out the chicken. Remember to take out the chicken and take out the clothes off her line. Here. Alright, I'm gonna be able to save till I come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures, I mean, show me what I'm complete, and I'm about the foolishness, you know. If people they just go in a bathroom and take some pictures. I want some sexy picture right now.
Chanel! Who that? How are you? I just see your mother up the road. She said she'll go in her town, sir. I'm supposed to go in her town, you know. I never know say you stop by. So like you have plans, so like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes of my file. So where you go? Girl, I tell you that I told me I go deal with something. And by the way, which plans you talk about? Everybody just watch me so. And me alone can't go do nothing?
Excuse me, I don't have food now, so we can't eat.
I'm going to come girls, man. Long time I see you.
Long time I don't see you too.
Bye, you good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good one.
Long time I don't see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
So much stuff here, find it.
You have to go wait little because my friend there, I never know if she should stop by. But I'm not that fat still. She loves sleeping, so I'm going to give her something for she sleep. And, you know.
It sounds like I can't see you and can't see you for me.
Friend has stop by. I never know if she should stop by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop asleep, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! Chanel! Chanel!
Shall I call me?
Chanel!
Yeah!
Chanel!
Yeah! We are coming so for somebody there?
Come take out the clothes them, cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, guani. I should have allowed the lawyer. Can't get to me and help him. I should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. They come and guani.
I know you are come talk about. You see because sun act and talk about rain and go fall.
Party nice man.
Key, me have more around there now. See the good juice here.
Thanks. I'm not hungry, but the party tastes extra nice. Come on, extra the hair around it.
So now carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it.
Sun draws me up and little clothes and I have to pick up and go and sleep.
Did I use the sun not hot?
And to the time they look overcast. I want to sleep.
up and come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she doesn't sit at the house. So hurry now.
Dirty boy, she want to go with Mwana, bola bola no. Mwana, fama that day, man, nobody can. I see her with the dirty boy again. I hope I use condom. How are you talking about, Abby? After I'm not going to do nothing, I'm going to town, I go. You hear me? I want you. The man that can't give you nothing. Remember say you're underage and a big old man that. Girl, remember me I want you and a workless man that. Him workless.
Me I come go in here because you can't go and chat and believe what you want to believe. Because me I tell you I'm going to town. I'm not going to do nothing.
She done broke up in nose and skirt. I'm going to help her because she's not here. I tell me for idiot. You come here and call me and you know so she's not there. How for this? Most of the boy them had up at the gate last night. And most of them drop it out there. No, you know. No, you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think say I like me, like you when me I tell her this, but me I tell her for your own good. They say your mother have it all the day already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this.
But watch ya, give me something man. You're gonna have me and for your money by it.
Just me really just.
I want one in there, so. Better than one in there, one. But wait,
You come here. You come here. Hey, when I get money for fix on my TV? Even though no one I get my 30,000 fix on my TV, but I want it back, you know. Guess the TV around there, so I'm my little fun and enjoyment. That to you, me I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight for. When you could have worked, when you could long enough come and apart, I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in here war, boy, you know. Because you look a pitney. I know say you're very prime. Come, hey, I don't know, you know, but when I find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really a fight? Because I can't afford to now war over and mash up all my TV. What really a fight over? You talk to me.
You want me tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened? You don't matter if you want to talk about this. You don't hurt me right now, you know. I'm going to lay down.
Somebody what really go on. You have to plan to tell me what really happened.
When you know what go on, yeah? Sometimes I'm empty.
Alright, I just saw the ticket I go. Fly high, fly low, mark it down, 10 in here. When I figure find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must push this to now war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I foolish to now war over. I mash up my TV by the enjoyment. You know, man? But I fly low and not forget about that.
Hello? Sorry for the fight. You really can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're friends for a long time. Understand that, girl. Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, the power always link, man. Not have to whisper. Yeah, and out there can come. Alright. Alright. No, I know. No, someone wants it. How about that now? I'm pregnant. Yeah, breed? Yeah. After the same dirty boy me that one about? Yes, him same one. I tell about him, you know? I tell about him. So your mother know about this? My mother can know about it. Remember say me young. My mother can't know about this. So what you plan to do? Keep it or dash it away? Me I keep it. I don't have no money for dash away pitney, so you feel like you're ready for one pitney? I'm not ready for nothing because right now I'm now work. And if my mother find out about the situation, you know what I'm things. The best advice I can give after that shit right now. I don't have the money, you give me some money? I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do. Because I say my mother can't know about this. I now work, plus, girl, my mother can't. So what you going to do? You don't know the man and police can lock you up or lock him up because you're underage. Girl, right now, I don't know what to do. And I know I did that one about the boy. I tell you.
babes, wagwan. But then, you know, miss me? Yeah, I miss you too. Hey, you don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop thinking about you. Yeah. You know, don't know, man. You know, so me now a little spot though. I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know some TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar, you know, for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, see, I plan to travel. Yes, I mean, we can't wait for you to come. But you wanna be able to, you have to go push down your date a little bit further down the certain month. Because you don't know, say, my time of the month, you know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey. 120,000 pity not even know this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How are you little girl, man? I don't tell her how to feel.
Madame la Cameroon. Hello? Hello? May I come to Mother? Remember if I talk to her about the situation, if I not want she plan to put you out, I can come stay with me.
How are you today? You know you're not me a call you. I'm not trying to say this for the yard. Eh? Much time tell her the yard. Anyway, my friend there, when I have this baby down I was streaming and I go collect a little food for me.
Should I know this, sir?
I want you to link her because I have a piece of money I want she go collect for me. You see?
Alright. Hello? Oh, that you know. Alright. Alright.
You get tired?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you, you know. Nothing, no. So I wait to look on my phone and I as me I come. How? I'm gonna text up on phone. Well, as a matter of fact, give me the phone and let me see it. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone, pull the phone.
See the money that do nothing.
You need to do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out what you're up to, you know, I must find out here. You say any day, name day, I find out say a man you have little girl. Let me tell you this. He might go straight to prison, that me I tell you. Hey, me won't even talk. You say if you ever breed na this girl, me tell you something, your grand people, them have whole heap of land you go and farm. I got a tongue go sell bag juice, because you're not staying here with it. And that me I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for do in that house. No! And I make me talk twice. You must think say me an idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big. I say the day and day I find out say a man you have in this year. Right through the door you go. I would have. How are you? Come in out to your son, man. Now go right back and run her back. Show her back there be something. Now call her come back here.
I see. Hello? So me I call you from the other day, I nah get you. From me have sex, me I call you nah answer you for me nah get you. I want me. But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? So that something I do.
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So how you love ends up by yourself on the phone? Now what interest on the phone so?
No, me have something just check on the phone.
You know, something I check on the phone. Something I check all the mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the saw wait for you all long. So here what? See paper the information. We're going to call it the something. 160,000. Not a dollar less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me I tell you go on and come back.
Everyone, no. So girl, I said nothing to your mother yet about it.
Girl, like for me, if you tell her say me a breed, my mother say if me a breed, she put me out and girl, I can't tell my mother.
But girl, I can't keep this fella, I can't keep that secret to your fella. I say your belly I go show, you know.
Mother don't just say girl, come like you want my mother to hear.
Just stand there. You're lucky on me. Anyway, take it to I go find me.
But anyways, I was telling her mother, do you want to go now?
I mean, I need to change my dress. I have to change back this and put on my dress. Girl, I don't know about this and I go breed. They done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, how are you? Good? Alright, cool.
Yeah. I have to tell her.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother.
Cause when I tell them the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then there? Tell her if you dash your boy and the boy not call you from your breed.
Girl, if me had the money for dash it away, I dash it away. Girl, right now I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused.
You like a money are the problem, but yeah, I have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you have no more pretty for the rest of your life, so.
Here, I'm not here. Just come to me.
Alright, girl, come and show me.
really feel like something for texting my money to deal with something. Deal with what? The pregnancy for that show the belly. Girl, I'm mad. Mama say me I collect money in my information is collect the money in your mother that cost me out. But just that ask. Anyways, I'm gonna find another solution. Cause I just ask me to ask. Okay, I know you could have never asked that. Anyways, that is a stupid question.
Dean! Yo, Dean! Yo!
Huh? Sure.
Dada. John.
Yo, today you tell me, you know, my youth. No bother with that, you know. No bother with that, you know. Today you tell me, you know.
Dada. Yo, John, brother. I don't feel like a grown thing now, brother, isn't it? Well, yeah, we're going to look emergency roll up, isn't it? And right now, on the live cash permanent fund. So I say, but yeah, we're going. I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me, because my girl for deal with something for me today, you see me, so I can make her get some money, you see me. But up until the top, I tell you, honestly, I have no money for me, dada.
Brother, I every day store this, you know, at today I want the money, you know. At today, you know. Yo, and a later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I not get my money still, you know. Yeah, my youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide, say, yo, you can pay back by X time. And all now. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, for going so still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you, say, my girl I forward in today, you see me, with some funds, you see me? Just a little bit more time me ask you, you see me? I don't know if you go on so dog, I mean, the whole neighborhood would know me a business dog. Watch nothing man, I start out the business man, you see me? You know me not style them with them, a long time you a friend.
Yeah, you know. But I just how you deal with things, you know, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, you know. You say you don't want me loud up and you don't want people to hear your business, but if you don't deal with this thing, you will have to reach us. Brother, you're a big man, you know. I can't believe you do me this. Me apart from school days, me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say, oh man, I come at X time. So, I'm going to see you deal with it today. Then we're going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah, man, I understand.
Don't give me a word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as the last. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming up.
I know, say I'm a busy man still now. You see me? I don't say if nothing probably have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, I'm not bullshit dog. I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around, dog. You see me? Because I know say a long time, you see me? You link me and... Can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me have a thing prepared, dog. So now watch nothing, I get a thing sorted out, dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? I go there right now, so I'm not going to
that's all I remind you. Today at the day. So if you know say you go around me, you know, just know it go. Here we go. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when I come back, I don't want not talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man, see, just give me an hour or two, brother. Just give me an hour or two, brother. Me sort out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me even spit a gun, it never reach in a 15 minutes, dad. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say an hour or two. You say it, you know. I'm going to give you time. Because look like you dig your own grave. Now worry yourself. 2 hour time.
I did this, you know. But... Yeah. Yeah, B. Hey, boy, some food in the bag. You know some more? Yeah, B. You think you can give me one link in idea? Yeah, man. Give me a link in idea, man. Isn't it? I want to chat to you about something. See if we can reach my foot. Yeah, man. Alright then. You don't know what you mean. Well, since I say never come when time the mango did in, you see me I say? I just 1 and 2 left now still, but I have 2 in the can get still now when you're ready to move, you know.
Come in like mommy, you know. It's a story the mango them say when mango got done out, I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that, man, but no, don't worry yourself, man, everything will go alright, man.
You know me have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. You don't even know me. I have a situation and I have a surgery for you.
Where's this? Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
For what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Come on, talk to me, man. It's not like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, the same thing happened to mom, same thing.
Is you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness, sis.
Never sleep last night.
A joke you make, sis. Right now, this sound like one curse the power as a family. Oh, sis, yo, sis. What go on? Where are you doing? Some man just run for you. The money thing there, did you get the money? Oh, I never get none, John. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, you don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach you, man. Yeah, I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, you see me? Yeah, man, don't watch that. Everything is good. Alright. What's that?
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send her the information. Yeah, alright. And then
Ladies, where are they? Good? Where are they, sis? Everything good, you know? You girl there. What that?
remember to pay your mother the money. Yeah, now go down, go change and come.
Yo. I know how this still know, but I tell you what I'm going. No, say you're breathing. I know you know why your mother find out. I know you're underage. So here what you going to do? I know if you have to collect in some funds, you know. You don't worry about all this, man. I say I know what I need to know. I just need to work how me tell you what to work. Now here what I got. I know if you get in some money, you know. So here you go do. I want you left 100 grand in a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, as a matter of fact, I'm tell you this, a life and death thing this is going to reach, you know. Just make sure you do what I tell you, see me? I'm serious them way the man, you're dead.
Alright. Now go get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound, yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that man? Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
Hey, baby, come as fast as me could want.
You know, you know, say, there's a piece of money they really want to borrow for you because you can't look a spot, you see me? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over the phone. Eh? How much money you want, so?
You know, say, yo, there's a 50 grand, I look for
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what me I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want for borrow, B. I'm going to tell you say I want 50. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it, man. Me find out me deals. Everything good.
Me will try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, so?
No, so that's not about never.
Me will try.
You don't make me know so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is me and then I move a type of way, you see me?
But differently no be, you know, so me think of some sort out you want, you can call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, if you find out the money.
Yeah, easy still, no. Yeah, I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't try that.
So no, that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What the fuck coming?
You're dead! You're dead!
Yo! Yo, man, come cross me. Yo. Yo, Dan, here we go on. You know, some left the money up at Column. In the creases. Here we go on, man. No, don't think say I fool me a fool around this time around, you see me? I don't fool me a fool you. Me just run come did something. So I just touch it off, you see me? So here we go on. Just go up at the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you see a thing, brother.
Brother, it sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are dealing with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all the nests now. Yo, which color you talk about?
You
And
know
let me
like
ask you now.
there's enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which color me. I only color me I really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going so daddy. I mean I tell you, I not send upon a wild goose chase.
You could have mad.
I tell you say in the column. You see me? We just have something to deal with it and I couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? I can't even explain what something will reach me now, brother. You see me? I whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? And I make sure so I sort out. I make sure I sort out your thing because that I want stress more off from my brain. So I say just go easy, man. You see me? You know, if I bother with the one bag of loud noise, brother, and something, brother, you see me? Here we go. See there? The two phone them. I'm a car key. Two phone them car key. Hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you don't see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I look weird say put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But you know to my head because sometimes let me take out the money and not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if we put it in this card. No sir. No women get the money.
You sound like it. You sound like it. Cause here on mark the words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you not there. And sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo. I'll link you back in a few.
Say, put the money under the mattress. What about not come about me and Chanel there? After Chanel give me money, I put it on there. I say, I'm going to ask Chanel. I say, I'm going to ask Chanel. I'm going to say,
Like I eat this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear Mr. Chanel come for another little corner just for me the money under the mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl I go take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and her blouse and skirt and all. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look at girl, my money there. You alone know it's from my money. Where you say you don't do it? I better say I'm murder you know this. Hey girl. Hey girl, where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my good girl say my money there? You alone know it's from my money there. Hey, me you don't know about my money there. Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there?
No, you need. No, the car. She's pregnant.
Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what you say you do? What me I saw? Breathe out, why you breathe? Wait, back one.
Morning people, hope you like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit the post those notifications.
Talk to the people them. You know you have to talk to the people.
Look in the camera. You can put on me, but nobody knows
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. More big up AV. And more to know for like, subscribe, and share.
Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they have to know.
See you? Stay to this. I don't know a thing, you see me? Jamaica, big up yourself, you don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share. You see me? Big up my mother, big up my father, you see me? Big up the whole Atkins of family. You don't know Mumpella the place, you see me? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. You see me? Ease yourself, my man. big up AV, big up Akeem, big up Akeem, you have to big up yourself, you know what I say? I don't know. So big up my brother and sister them same way, Mika, Richie. You know the thing, guys, you know?
I don't know, no look out for me, I just put in some work, I put it together. When I see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Ojo, the 170 and 1G. For Instagram, I go send out my sneakers business. When I check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, them when I look
alright, yeah, ain't take too much of the fair, you know about that?
And action. And action.
Well, I'll pause it. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone.
See the money that do not
You need to do nothing now? Wait. It's alright. I must find out what you're up to. You know, I must find out what I'm going here. I must. You just wait.
Action.
Stop that shot.
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me? Me tell you so she'll go on the veranda with me. Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that show the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see her. No, me can't say me don't see her.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother, you are going on. You know, so I treat me to run.
When I want.
It's like that.
And action. Check some more, man. Take a little more time, man. Check.
Don't say she asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. And action.
You know, say a long time I not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So I want that.
Yes, people, board grand once more. I'll tell you if you check into AVTV. You don't know. Over here, so there. Yeah, man, in the east. Yeah, more you see what I go on because I'm put in the work and I tell you, trust me, the thing them hot. You know, I don't know how to do best. Go over there, go subscribe, like, comment, share. You wear the pen pound. You don't know. Your boy, Boyd Grant. Stay tuned. Up.
Action. No, down the same.
Down, sir.
Again. And action. Action.
The spit?
Mm-hmm.
But then I'm
Yes, hopefully you can make it this far in the video but can talk to, no? So yes, people, hope you enjoy the little movie there. And if you don't make it this far and you subscribe it, come on, it only makes sense to you subscribe. Me keep you here this long, eh? Well, all of we keep you here this long. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it with somebody else, make them get some entertainment. You see me? So, yep. And if you tell no one you can look forward to, well, you don't know this channel, you get the whole works. Short films, vlog, everything, you see me? But for the people who just strictly want to see movie anytime them get a post notification, check the pinned comments, or the first comment you will see. Will lead you to a channel that I'll only upload movies over there. So definitely go and subscribe to that channel. Over here, short films, vlog, the whole works, because I don't know, me is a camera lover. Now I left my camera, we're married till death do us part, you see me? So, yeah, music videos, weddings, short films, movies, the whole works. As long as it's video, I'm in. So, thank you as always for the support. Thank you for you follow me so long. Blur it not from police days. Big up on yourself, manners and respect. And Laro shall see you very, very soon. Oh, Jano. One day, I feel big up nobody when I not big up. Yo, big up everybody. Little more. Big up on yourself.